What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it's Monday. It's a beautiful day out here to be out driving around, wasting gas, you know. That type of thing, but I wanted to get a video out to you guys just for the simple fact that the video I was gonna do, my thing didn't come to the mail, come through the mail. So once it comes through the mail, man, I'll do a video on it. You guys can check it out. But today I just wanted to do a video just to touch base with you guys. Those of you who are new to the channel, you know, I don't have it marked anywhere, but I usually do my videos on the weekends, you know, because those are my days off. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I usually get at least 1 or 2 videos out to you guys. So I just wanted you guys to know about that. During the weekday, you know, I work 4 10-hour days, so by the time I get home, it's usually like 8:30, so Central Time. So I usually don't post no videos during the week. I work Tuesday through Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, and Monday are my days that I usually, you know, make these videos for you guys. So I hope you guys don't get discouraged or, you know, upset that, you know, no videos are popping during the weekday. Maybe, you know, as soon as I get like vacation time, I might pop 1 or 2 videos out during the weekday. But for right now, my scheduling is Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. You know, 1 or 2 videos. If something's really going down, I might just do, you know, 2 videos in one day. It just all depends. But yeah, man, it is a gorgeous day out, so I don't know. I just waxed. I just used some wet wash cleaner for this car. What day was that? So Saturday. Yeah, it was Saturday. And you know what? It irritates me that you do all that work and then all of a sudden, you know, like once you get it nice and clean and waxed up, man, it looks nice, but then you get some kind of stupid bird that wants to take a doo-doo on your car. It's irritating. I just noticed it this morning when I woke up. I was like, man, I just washed the car. I just put the new wax on. I was trying this product that I just got in the mail. It's called Shine Armor wet wash, and I used it. It turned out good. So but yeah, the bird poop, man, that doo-doo, man, they always find a good target to hit. So, but I'm gonna get up here. We're gonna go to this place called Indian Rock here in Salina. It's a nice little place just to. I got some walking trails and stuff like that, so I'm gonna go up here and try to get some pictures and videos and some shots of the car. So once I get there, I'll come right back. Alright guys, I'm out here at Indian Village, and as you can see, or Indian Village, Indian Rock, as you can see, the whole town. Not the whole town, but parts of the town over there. But like, look, like I done put this wax on here, man. We got spots down there, but overall, so I got new stickers. This is my bike channel for my motorcycle stuff, but those are coming off, and we're putting the car stickers right there. So as you can see, like that paint job, that wax or whatever, that spray cleans up a lot of the stuff. But I gotta say, she a nice ride. I'm gonna show you what happens when you clean stuff. Like, come on, Bert. Come on, Bert. Woo-wee, boy. I'm telling you. So my plan is, guys, is after this is paid off, so when this is paid off, we're gonna get this, man, I haven't decided yet, Scat Pack or Hellcat. But I mean, if I'm gonna do it and hit the bucket on it, I might as well go with a Hellcat, right? I mean, nothing wrong with a Hellcat, right? But that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Man, there's a lot of stuff to do with these videos, man. Like, you know, I'm trying to bring you guys the best content that I can. You know, and you know, with being new to this car stuff, man, you know, I do a lot of my time doing like watching other people's videos, kind of getting ideas, and then trying to mix those ideas with my own little thing. But sometimes that's hard to do. A lot of people, I've seen, you know, whether it be live streams or read people's comments in the videos, you know, there's a lot of people out there that, you know, throw them negative comments out there, and it's tough, you know, and a lot of these people that throw these negative comments, they ain't even doing this type of stuff. So I like to see, and I'm not dogging on anybody, man, but if you want to leave a negative comment, I mean, you know, don't be so harsh on people when you haven't even tried it yourself, you know what I'm saying? So I always try to comment back to everybody, you know. Negative comments to me is kind of like, you know, you're trying to stir up the pot, you know what I mean? Like, why leave a negative comment? What you should do is leave positive feedback. Like, if something went wrong or somebody doesn't know exactly what they're talking about, and I know as a YouTuber, because I've done this with my bike channel, sometimes you get those negative comments, and I usually reply back, you know, hey, you know, something wrong? Is there something that I did wrong? Like, hey, you know, why are you leaving this negative comment? But yeah, it's tough. It's really tough, guys. So YouTube isn't for everybody. At first, when I did my bike channel, I started that 2 years ago. You know, I didn't really know if I wanted to do it or not because of all the things that I've read about, you know, starting up a YouTube channel. But this is my second channel, and you know, once the weather gets going, I'll be doing both channels. So I do the car channel during the winter time, but I'm gonna still keep doing it during the, you know, the same time doing like summer and spring. So I'm gonna be really busy with both channels going. I'm just doing it for fun, man. If the channel takes off, it takes off. If it doesn't, you know, it doesn't, you know, whatever. But I enjoy doing what I do. So anyways, guys, I figured I'd come up here, get a little bit of footage. As you've seen, this weekend I was hanging out with Joey 66. You know, it's fun. That type of stuff's fun when you can get some guys who have the same interest as you do. You get them together, you talk. The one guy I was with, Nick, man, we talked for like 2 hours. You know, after Joey left, I think it was like an hour and like 30 minutes. We talked. We just sit there and just talked about cars, you know, and that's awesome. That's really awesome. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit of that. Actually, this place right here, Indian Rock, in this like late spring, summertime, man, this thing is really green and nice. There's actually the Saline River, I think it is, that runs through down over yonder. It's pretty nice. We went down there last year in the summertime, and there's water just going everywhere. There's actually a little waterfall, not really a big waterfall like you would see in like Niagara or something like that, but for here it's whatever. It's nice. But yeah, what else can I tell you guys about? We can try to do like places I can take pictures, you know, just to get you guys the content you want. Like modifications and stuff like that. As soon as the funds are available to me, I am gonna go ahead and order my tires. We'll get those put on. I want to do a wicker bill, but my wife doesn't like them. She doesn't think they look cool, but I think they look good. I don't know what else I want to do to this car. I know I'm going to do like the tune. I'm going to get a tune put on it, but like I said, it's going to need more time on that. But everything will flow together, and we'll get this thing rolling. So if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and consider subscribing, and comment down below. I like to interact with you guys, so any comments that are thrown at me, you know, I'll reply back to them. So alright, man, you guys have a good day. Enjoy your week. Before you know it, it'll be the weekend, and we'll get some more videos going. So alright, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna quit running my mouth, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.